turning $5,000 into $10,000 on my personal live account on a regulated broker. Um, Today was a horrible day. Today's more of a recap, if anything, and it was pretty bad. So yeah, let's just quickly dive into it. I pretty much today just took all losses, as you guys can see on my screen. Hold up, let me just move myself on the other side. Here we go. I pretty much took all losses today, chat. I just couldn't. I literally couldn't find the right side of any sort of reversal. As you can see here on the chat, as you guys can see here, if you have a look, the first trade of the day, actually, I missed the short reversal up here, and I kind of entered in I ended up taking a long, it kind of took me out. And then I entered a short here, guys, and price actually did come down, but I was targeting a bit lower down here, so it came back up, and then it came back down, and I was in the profit. I could have taken profit there. I've taken profit here a few times. Like, it did come down a few times, but I didn't, and I just held it until I got wicked out here. And there was just a massive volume candle out of the blue, which was, it just really came out of the blue, wicked me out, and I was like, oh, come on. So I got back in, and I was in the money a bit yet again, but I didn't take profit because I was aiming for sort of just higher time frame. Like, these lows down here was the goal, and I couldn't. Well, I guess price didn't come down to where I was hoping for it to come to. So unfortunately, yeah, so I couldn't aim for these lows. Took me out here. I took a short. I took a short, as you guys can see up here, wicked out. I jumped in the reversal too early. I took a short again, wicked out, and this short here was the one that actually won. So as you can see here, chat. And no, at this point, I tried to reverse, and I realized 2 reversal trades failing usually means the third one I should change bias. I was in the wrong way, so I entered the long, and of course that was the wrong way. That was the correct short entry, and that was when I took another loss. So obviously price turned around there, took me out, and I was like, okay, cool, we're going back down. And so I actually longed again in hopes of the push up, and then yes, we got locked out of that, lost that. I took one long here, guys, at the bottom, and I finally took the smallest win. And then I don't even know. I tried to it whipped me out, so I figured let me take another long again. And as you can see there, where is it? Yeah, I took a long. Oh, took a long here, and of course I got wicked out, and then I took a long here, wicked out, long here, wicked out, and then that's where I got wicked out is actually where it reversed. And so yeah, today was just a rough day. It was pretty rough today. Mentally, I just wasn't doing too great. I actually had this issue with Top Step that's been sort of like tilting me all day. And yeah, you know what? Let's just go through it. So I've had this issue on Top Step where I was the start of this week, Monday, I don't know what's the date. Monday, the 6th of April, I was trading 150k evals on Top Step. I had 2 accounts that were already up a couple $1,000s, I think. A couple of them were already in the green. This one here, for example, this combine 4631, ending in 4631, it was already up 3% the day before I traded this, or the week before, and then it came back down. So I was in the red a bit, which is fine. And so when I traded on Monday, what actually happened was I used that account as the leader. I used that account as a leader to copy trade to my other accounts. Mind you, my other accounts, these other 3 accounts, another one was the exact same balance as well. So as you can see here, 6174 had the exact same balance. Pretty much it was up around 4.3, 4.4. And then the other 2 that were wrongfully violated didn't trade. They were actually just down from the Friday trade. So those 2 accounts as well as the other one that was I blew later. This correctly blown one, this 4631, was actually the leader account. Okay, chat. And this leader account was copy trading to these other three wrongfully violated accounts. And so what happened was on the Monday, when this account took a loss, for some reason, when this account as the leader took a loss, for some reason the other follower accounts were maximum loss violated, but these accounts had one of these accounts had the same balance as the leader, but it didn't get max loss violated. And then the thing is, these other two accounts that got maximum loss violated, they still had $2,000 of daily drawdown left. $2,000. So that is what confuses me. I've been talking to Top Step about it. This issue has happened before. Last time it happened, they had a look into it and they fixed the issue. They reactivated the accounts that were incorrectly closed. If you guys look here, chat, it's literally happened. I can't even remember how long ago, but I told them the same issue happened. The same issue happened, chat. Literally, the same issue happened. They were asking me about it, and I said, look, maximum loss limit was not breached. And then eventually, after they investigated, they had reactivated it. So here we go. They've been reopened. So this issue has happened before and they fixed it. But I don't know what's going on this time, chat. Like, it's literally the same issue. The leader account, look at you, the leader account is live and well, but the other accounts for some reason are maximum loss violated, which just doesn't make any sense. So yeah, I'm not too sure, chat. I was just super tilted here. I said, hi, 4 of my accounts have supposedly hit max loss violation, but still has $700 of daily drawdown left. Can you please investigate? And then now this time, chat, I've been working with Brianna on this topic, and I'm just trying to get this one through. Because it's really frustrating. I have, they were wrongfully closed, and I'm trying to pass them. It's been like a whole week I've been unable to trade them. And I wrote it here, the ones that are wrongfully violated. And you can see, so this is the leader account at the time. This one actually didn't get violated, but later I blew it, which is fine. I don't mind. But the ones that were wrongfully violated, they still have maximum drawdown. And then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna keep trading because once it's reactivated, I better hope this thing gets passed. And this one should already have been passed because it shouldn't even be violated in the first place. These two here should still have 2K drawdown left, or 2K balance left. So yeah, I don't know, chat. It's tough. And you can even see in the trades. I added what they said was supposedly the account had balances. They said the account was $2,713.40 for maximum loss limit. No, that's not correct. Because if we go to the wrongfully violated one here, if we add up the capital there, like what's that? 443760. So it would have gone up by this much, and then would have come down by 2691.60. Would have had that much, right? On top of the 4.5K that you normally get as drawdown, because this was balanced above the 150K. So boom, I would have had that. And then on the actual day of trading, I was up another 1,400. Even if we factor in that loss from the high, like if we add all this, it just doesn't make any sense, chat. Like, look, have a look. So this would have been my max loss limit on this account, plus the 4,500. Because I was already up green on that one, right? So this was my max loss limit on this account. And then let's say plus 400 plus 415 minus 315 minus 330 plus 450 plus 450 plus 450 minus 5250 minus 30 plus 120 plus 8250 minus 4435. And then the trade that supposedly killed all of them was this one here that closed at 2:17:55 a.m. So let me just minus the last 165. So that was my drawdown on this account. And then supposedly they're saying it was, yeah, no, I had a lot more maximum loss limit than that. Like you can even see chat, it was actually in the screenshot I actually sent them. Actually had like this screenshots here. There's still another $2,000 worth of daily loss limit. Anyways, I just got really tilted. I had a bad trading day. Um, it's my fault. Even on my XFA, I like got tilted as heck after this morning conversation. Pretty much blew this account. The other one is like $4 as well. So it's just fuck. This is been a rough week, chat. So, oh well. Hopefully the issue with Topset gets resolved because I don't know. It's getting really frustrating with them now. So